Want your TikTok videos to go from this to this? Well, we got you. We built a patching method that skips TikTok's compression completely. No more blurry uploads, just clean, sharp quality the way you actually edited it. Works on Android, iPhone, and PC. Method link is in the description, or check my bio if watching on TikTok. Join our Telegram channel for giveaway and more updates and tools. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Head over to our website and click the Try Video Patcher button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to join our Telegram communities. Click to join both channels. Doing this unlocks the patcher and removes the pop-up permanently. Drag and drop or click to upload the video you want to patch. Once loaded, you can use the built-in media player to pause, mute, or unmute your video to review it before processing. For the absolute smoothest playback on TikTok, we recommend rendering your project at 1080p and 60 FPS, though the patcher supports all standard resolutions and codecs. On the right panel, you can look over your video specifications, including file size, resolution, codec, frame rate, and duration. Note, the FPS and codec detection can occasionally be slightly inaccurate. You can completely ignore the technical bypass parameters section. Just head right below it and click the Copy to Clipboard button to instantly copy the required creator credit text. Click the Patch and Download Video button. A progress bar will track the compression bypass injection. Note, the processing speed depends entirely on your internet connection. Once finished, click Download Patched Video to save the crisp, high-quality file to your device. Keep in mind there is a 30-second cooldown timer before you can patch another video. If you ever run into any issues, just click the Contact Support/Report a Problem button at the bottom for quick help. Head over to TikTok Studio on your browser and upload your newly patched video. Write out your video description, add your targeted hashtags, and then paste the creator credit you copied earlier directly into the box. Under the Settings menu, switch the video privacy from Everyone to Only You, then hit Upload. If you are working on a phone, setting the privacy to Only You isn't strictly mandatory, but it is highly recommended to let TikTok finish processing the file behind the scenes. Once TikTok's back-end review is complete and the processing finishes, simply switch the privacy settings back to Everyone. Make sure you stay locked into those Telegram channels. That is where we drop all the latest updates, tool patches, and community announcements first. We are constantly working behind the scenes to upgrade the website, and you won't want to miss what we have cooking next. Get ready for our upcoming quality enhancer tool. We are building it to give you crisp, Topaz-like quality right on your mobile device. No heavy PC rendering required. From workflow automation to exclusive creator assets, we have a ton of features in the pipeline to help you scale your content. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the community.